All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got ourselves a special car. This thing is a Ford Escape.
Oh, you know? Yeah.
It wanted to escape the accident, but
sure didn't.
It didn't. It got hit in the thing. So pretty much it needs a, it needs a front end work. All the airbags are good. We checked this thing out. We got it on the trailer. So this is the first step. Once you buy it, you have to take it home.
Oh, yeah.
So we're lucky and fortunate enough that we got a trailer and a truck. So we're gonna take it home today. On the way home, we're gonna look for some parts. So we definitely need a hood, we know. A headlight we'll probably order on eBay because it's much,
oh, yeah,
better deal. But like the hood, keystone, bumper, keystone, fender, keystone probably. Maybe we'll get some used parts. Suspension's looking good. We'll probably, if we get the parts today, we can get the paint today, paint the parts, because this color is never gonna match.
Oh, man.
Like this is like almost impossible. So we're just gonna have to do panel painting. We'll see. We'll put them on. We'll do like a, if it looks too bad, we'll do a blend. But let's go ahead and hit the road, get it back to the shop, and do a tear down. All right, so we got the Ford Escape, the quick little rebuild. We're gonna do really fast, hopefully. But we got in here, we got the hood we gotta take off, the bumper, the fender. So I ordered a headlight and a fender and a bumper, not a bumper, but a hood. And then we're gonna check out the radiator support, see if it can be just adjusted or whatnot. So let's go ahead and break this thing down, make sure we don't find any more damages, and go from there. All right, so it's actually been the next day or so. We ordered the radiator support, it's right there. Also, the bumper came in, the headlights here, the fender, all that is scuffed. Let's go ahead and scuff the bumper, the fender, the hood, get in the paint booth, paint those really quick, and then we'll worry about putting it together because we are gonna do panel painting, and then we'll see how the color is, and if we need to blend, we'll blend. So let's go ahead and get straight to painting, and then we'll go back and replace the radiator support. All right, so there we have it. We got the upper radiator support back on this thing, so the gaps should be looking good. Everything is painted, so we'll probably catch you guys in the morning and put everything together. Just like that, this thing will be done and knocked down.
All right, guys, so roughly it is there. Definitely still need to adjust the gaps a little bit, but coming right along, not a big deal. It's pretty satisfying to take the bumper out, put it on, and what a transformation it is. Looks a lot better, but yeah, obviously still little things here and there. Color didn't turn out too bad, but you can really tell a difference right there. It looks worse on camera, not as bad in real life, but just the fade, I guess. The hood turned out pretty good. Is what it is. Unfortunately, it's not horrible, but a little noticeable. But yeah, coming right along, button it up, adjust the gaps, clean it up, and sand it. right, guys, so it's pretty crazy going from this, from Copart, 3,700 to here you go on the road looking good. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little rebuild. Let's go ahead and talk about the price. How much did it cost us to get this here looking like that? You know, honestly, it's pretty sweet. Nice little daily driver, good on gas. It's got the little EcoBoost down there, so very fuel efficient. So let's talk about the price, how much we got it from Copart, how much the fees were, how much the parts were, how much we got total in it. So I would say it turned out pretty clean. Honestly, less than 100,000 miles on it. It's a nice little budget build, you know, a little get around here and there. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy, but it's practical. And honestly, just showing an example, there's a lot of great deals out there in Copart, and we're just being straight up how much everything was. You know, how much the parts were, how much you could actually do this yourself, if you even get somebody to paint the parts for you if you're not a painter or something here and there. But it was nothing crazy, no frame being pulled. Honestly, basic tools needed, nothing too, you know, so hard that you can't do. So definitely recommend getting out there, start a project for yourself. But let's go ahead and talk about the breakdown. All right, like we said before, winning bid. You've seen us be there, bid it, and get it for $3,700. Winning bid. So $3,700 was the winning bid, but after that, after the Copart fees, things like that, was $4,408. So definitely got to watch out for that, guys. But hey, it makes sense. They make money, we make money. Everybody got to make a little money. Nothing ain't cheap. So that front headlight right there was $118. Paint was surprisingly expensive for $293. So definitely a little more expensive on the paint this time, but hey, it is what it is. That radiator support was only $74, pretty cheap, not bad. And then the bumper was $168. Fender was about $200, so not too bad at all. So plus and minus here and there, less than $6,000 for it. We got ourselves this nice little Ford Escape. So this is the 1.5 liter 4-cylinder front wheel drive automatic Ford Escape SE. I think we did pretty good. Should be enough meat in the bone to make a little profit, you know, make a little money on the side, because, you know, you got to pay for the place, the building, you know, we're not just doing this for fun. You're out there, you know, working all the time to flip the vehicles, essentially, to make money. So we'll make a little percentage, be happy, move on. Name of the game. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for joining. So you've seen the process from the beginning to the rebuild, and then we're just going to post it for sale and let it go. So, yeah. Thanks so much. Let me know if you like this one or the Denali a little better. Probably got the Denali, but definitely more expensive too. So it's like hit or miss. You know, it is what it is. So it depends on your budget kind of thing. But leave some comments down below. Thanks for joining. See you next time.